Hey guys, Paul Kolomeyer here, and today we're starting the second part of the Instagram challenge where we're growing an Instagram account from zero to as big as we can. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to drop a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe for more content like this. With that being said, I'm sure you guys are curious how many followers I have. Keep in mind that today is Monday, the same day that the last video dropped. So let us go to Instagram, right? And drumroll, you're about to see how many followers I actually got. This is pretty exciting stuff here. I only got 42 followers, even though I'm following 533. So if we do the math, right, let's go here, calculator, and 533, 42 divided by 533 comes out to about an 8% follow back ratio, which is pretty terrible. You usually want at least one that's above 20%. Usually you should strive for about 25%. But what you may have noticed is that I actually did change the pic here, and I changed the name of it. If you noticed that, props to you, man. And I'm right now going to play a clip of me changing that stuff. With the previous name for the Instagram page, which was Push-Up Palace, I think it might have been a little too niche for people to like it because they might have thought that the page was only about push-ups. I wanted to make sure that people understood that it's about all aspects of fitness and thus have a broader audience for our content. And my friend Julian Melenda, who owns the page Cats for Your Feed, he recommended that I change my own page title to Fitness for Your Feed. And I think that's a pretty great name, and I changed it to it, and now we're going to be starting to do follow for follow with this name, and we're going to see how the follow back ratio changes from before. So today's Monday. I'm probably going to record the next clip tomorrow, see how the follow for follow ends up working out. Alright, so today it is Wednesday, right? Wednesday the 12th, it is 5 p.m. and let's see if actually changing the branding of the Instagram page had any impact. So first of all, you can see right here that I actually changed it a little bit more. Instead of having it just say fitness, I made it say daily fitness posts. But with that being said, we got 225 followers, 1,363 following, which means that our follow back ratio has went up to 22% on the new followers that we've done since last update, which is a lot better than the 8% that we were getting before. 22% is pretty reasonable. So now that we have a follow back ratio of 22%, this means that we can really start working more so and making more content, as well as working on the follow for follow more intensely, so that by the end of this week we can have a lot of followers. And this is probably gonna be my last update until the final update of the week on like Saturday, just so that there's some suspense for you guys to see what I was able to get the account to in 1 week. So I'll see you guys on Saturday. Alright, so today is Sunday about 6 p.m. First of all, I got a brand new light, so hopefully the visual quality is a lot better. I know that my visual quality usually isn't the best. Hopefully this lamp will help that out though. Please let me know in the comments if it's better like this or not. But with that being said, let's focus on the main topic here. And I managed to get the Instagram account to 363 followers and 1,945 following. So it's not the most impressive number, right? But let's keep in mind that in this week, first we had the complication with the first design, and then also another major setback was the fact that I was being very conservative with the number of people that I would follow every day to make sure that my account didn't get action blocked, because then you're less likely to go on the Explore page later on, and it's just a whole bunch of bad consequences that come with being action blocked. So I was trying to be very conservative, but we are at 363, and I think that maybe, just maybe, I'll be able to get to 1,000 followers by next week. But that's going to be for the next video. If you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure to drop a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe for more content like this. And there's another little present waiting for you guys that watch this video to the end. But that's all I have for today. Until next time.